going to design a curly hairstyle. Before perming, I first adjust the hair volume appropriately. This helps reduce the amount of perm solution used and shortens the perming time. Next comes the perm process. In the lower section, I use clippers to create a clean and neat base. For the curly hairstyle, I use a Vern styling scissor with a Vern cutting scissor. By using a texturizing to cut technique, I can easily trim the length while avoiding harsh lines at the ends, resulting in naturally wispy tips. It's a simple, efficient method with outstanding results. On the outer layers, I use two Vern styling scissors with a slanting texturizing technique to create both three-dimensional and wispy effects. This gives the hairstyle more dimension, lightness, and breathability. No heaviness at all. With just a quick touch-up by hand, you're instantly ready to walk out in style.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.